Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best cooking food processors that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Cuisinart DFP14BSKY 14-cup food processor. This food processor has a solid base so it didn't move around when kneading dough, and the bowl's straight edges made it easy to scrape and clean. It has a simple design and performs well. It excelled at chopping onions, mincing parsley and grinding Parmesan cheese, as well as slicing pepperoni and tomatoes. They particularly liked the paddle design of the buttons because they're wide and operate by pushing down. No fussing with a touchpad. The lid has a large feed tube, for foods like potatoes and cheese, and a smaller one, for skinny items like carrots and celery. The accessories are top rack dishwasher safe. The Cuisinart DFP14BSKY custom food processor has an extra large feed tube that holds whole fruits and vegetables. Moving on at number 4, we have Cuisinart 13-cup elemental food processor. This Cuisinart food processor includes interchangeable 13-cup and 4.5-cup work bowls, so you can use it to prep salsa or coleslaw for a large party or just for two. It comes with an adjustable slicing disc, a reversible shredding disc, for medium or fine consistency, a dough blade, a dicing disc, a versatile chopping blade, a cleaning tool and a storage case to hold your accessories. In our tests, this machine earned high scores at nearly every task, including kneading bread dough and shredding mozzarella cheese. The 13-cup work bowl easily handles larger quantities of ingredients, making it perfect for big family meals and entertaining. The bonus 4-cup bowl is ideal for smaller amounts. At number 3, we have Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus food processor. Looking for a food processor but don't have the storage space for a full-sized model? This compact option is a smart pick for little kitchens, dorm rooms or those who tend to make small portions. Ranking at the top of our tests, this 3-cup Cuisinart is a great do-it-all size. The chop and grind functions provide versatility to mince ingredients like herbs, onions and meat or grind spices or beans with the blunt side of the blades. The Mini Prep Plus 24-ounce processor is the perfect little helper for small food preparation, from chopping herbs to finely grinding hard cheese. Its versatility lies in the special auto-reversing smart blade making the Mini Prep versatile, and it is easier to process both soft and hard foods in the 24-ounce work bowl. At number 2, we have Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System. The Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System with Auto IQ is a great option when looking for a food processor blender combo. You can switch from blending a frozen margarita to chopping salsa just by switching the work bowl. This food processor and blender combo comes with a pitcher, 2 single-serve cups with spout lids, pro extractor blades, a 64-Oz processor bowl, a chopping blade and a dough blade. One thing that we were missing from a traditional food processor was a shredding, grating disc. Reviewers love the suction cups on the bottom of the base for steady blending and that this machine can replace at least 3 pieces of kitchen equipment: full-sized blender, personal blender and food processor. And finally at number 1, Hamilton Beach 12-cup stack and snap food processor. If you're just starting out on your journey as a home cook or you're looking for a more wallet-friendly option, consider this option from Hamilton Beach. For significantly less money, this food processor can still tackle basic tasks with ease, though the chopping and dicing aren't as consistent or fine as they are with fancier models. The fine dice of nuts before fully processing, there was a noticeable difference in size before the oils started to separate. Also, the machine got hotter faster towards the end of the nut butter. That being said, every task was accomplished, so unless you're making a highly precise dish, this food processor can get the job done.